Hello, I'm Santos. I'm here at Dadasaheb Phalke International Film School at MIT-WPU University, Pune. And today I'm going to be talking about my personal experience at DPIFS over the past 7 months. So I'm from United States of America. I finished my 12th in America and I came here to learn filmmaking. The reason I got into this course was because I had a passion of editing and I was a bit hesitant to join this course, but the faculty gave me the comfort level that I really needed at that time. And over the first semester, I was able to gradually be more comfortable and I was able to learn several things. I actually found out that my main strength was writing and not editing. The faculty here is very amazing, very supportive. Their feedback really helped me to be the person I am right now. I was able to learn so many great things from my mentors, Arun sir and Preeta ma'am. Over the past semester, we've had so many guest faculties that have taught us several subjects. So it was a very pleasant and informative experience for me. I was able to learn many things.